Hi and welcome to this mini-series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet in modern calligraphy. Today we're on the letter F. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland, and I'm happy you're here to join me in this series. In this series I'm going to write with my oblique pen and my deep dark black ink. And I'm going to be filming everything in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes me to write one letter. Hope you enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Which F did you like best? Let me know in the comments. If you like my Fs, you can grab my free tracing worksheet. The link is in the comments below. I hope you stick around because there are more letters to come. Bye!